Here's why most people are setting themselves up for burnout in 2024 and how you can transform your lifestyle to thrive instead. We all know that health is wealth, but as the year progresses, it's easy to fall into old habits that leave us feeling drained and overwhelmed. Most of us start the year with high hopes for better health, but we struggle to keep up. The truth is, small but impactful changes can make a huge difference in your overall wellness if you know where to start. As we step into 2024, here are the latest health tips that can help you overhaul your lifestyle, boost your energy, and transform your well-being in just a few simple steps. 1. Prioritize sleep like never before. The number one health tip for 2024, also the most overlooked sleep. Quality sleep is foundational to overall health, yet so many of us sacrifice it. Sleep impacts your mental clarity, immune function, mood, and even your metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and create a calming bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. This one change will help you feel more energized and productive throughout the day. 2. Mindful movement, not intense exercise. Forget the old notion that you need to hit the gym 4 hours each week. In 2024, the focus is on mindful movement. Whether it's a morning walk, yoga, or stretching, moving your body with intention can improve your flexibility, mental health, and overall strength. Consistent, low-impact exercise reduces stress, prevents injuries, and boosts energy, making it a sustainable habit for the long run. 3. Gut health is key. 2024 is the year to start focusing on gut health. The gut microbiome plays a huge role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. To support your gut, eat a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, and prebiotic-rich vegetables such as onions and garlic. A healthy gut will lead to better energy, improved skin, and stronger immunity. 4. Get outside even in winter. You've probably heard about the benefits of sunshine, but did you know that spending time outdoors even in the winter can enhance your mood and productivity? Vitamin D from sunlight helps boost your immune system and keeps your bones strong. In 2024, make it a goal to get outside every day, even for just 10 to 15 minutes. This simple habit can reduce feelings of stress and keep you feeling grounded. 5. Reduce your sugar intake. Did you know that sugar is a silent energy thief? In 2024, it's time to reduce added sugars in your diet. High sugar intake can lead to weight gain, mood swings, and energy crashes. By cutting back on sugary snacks and drinks, you'll stabilize your blood sugar and feel more energized and focused throughout the day. Swap processed sugars for natural sweeteners like honey or fruit to satisfy your cravings without the negative effects.